Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me, Isabel, back again with another YouTube video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not new here, thank you so much for being a part of the community. I love you guys. We just hit 260 subscribers. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much for 260 subscribers. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be learning how to solve this thing blindfolded. And you guys are probably asking, Isabel, out of all of the things that you could have decided to do for a YouTube video, why did you decide to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube blindfolded? And my answer to that is, I don't know. Why are you asking me that question? Fuck.
What's the day? Man, not my tongue. Semetan, and yeah, what time? Then what tiny?
First, I have to check to make sure that I actually know how to solve it without a blindfold. You guys are probably wondering why I'm limping, and that is because I burnt my foot yesterday. Boiling hot water poured on my foot, and now I can barely walk. So
Scramble is done white topping green front, and I also memorized with white topping green front. So we start by looking at
basically the method of solving it blindfolded is different from the method of solving it normally. So I'm now about to learn the method of solving it blindfolded with my eyes open before I actually get to doing it blindfolded. It's like a T-perm or something.
Nowadays when we catch an urgency, last chance I get to make sure that you take it personally. Take this shit to heart, it's always executed perfectly. If you do a song, it's like taking my kids to work with me. You on the next select.
Why do I keep fucking this shit up, bro? Fuck. R U R prime U prime R prime F R2 U prime R prime U R U R prime F prime. Wow. Okay. R2 U prime R prime U prime R U R prime. Bro, what the fuck? See, Charlie. Make it that way. I've not even reached anywhere, and I'm already fucking. Guys, a great life. I'm done. Leave me alone. When I was doing this, I realized that this is the same as an algorithm I already know. So I already know the first one.
Yeah, boy.
Okay guys, I think I finally got the second algorithm. Let me do it for the last time. Guys, I'm going to try the two algorithms again and make sure that I finally gotten it. So you guys think I'm watching the paper. Wow. And the first one. So I got the first one. Now for the second one. Oh, we got the algorithms now. So basically what I have to do is I have to use these algorithms to fix the cube. So now I'm going to try and see if I can fix the cube without the blindfold.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the
Much you drive me crazy. Fuck my fucking Chungus life. Fuck my fucking Chungus life, bros. What the fuck, man? I need a break.
5 hours later.
Guys, progress. I have done all the edges, so you can see cars all over the flipping cube.
Child.
Set it down, set it down, set it down. Yes, sir! This is with my eyes open. Imagine with my eyes closed. Guys, I want to sleep. I need my bed is calling me. Actually.
He needs some milk.
Bro, what the hell? Okay. Me. Hey! Relax, bro. What the fuck? Why is bro talking so fast? Massa.
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
My fucking Chungus life. Fuck my fucking Chungus life. Fuck my fucking Chungus life.
Okay, guys, I have the algorithms. Is it algorithms? I have the sequence written down, and I have to memorize it and then do it. But something in me is just telling me that let's just do it blindfolded straight up.
Relax.
If I do this blindfolded and it works, I'm done. And I don't have to do any other shit anymore. So, I don't know why I'm saying this. I did this is a bad thing. This was actually like really fun and interesting. But I need to get this over with so I can sleep. So, yeah. The sequence I have to memorize. This thing. Ignore the top one. These sequence. So I have to like come up with words to memorize it. Let's go. Oh my god, bro. I'm so scared. Okay, let's get it. Hey, what if I suffocate and I die? Okay. TIJKLMNO. Bro, it's long. I'm gonna fuck it up.
5 minutes later.
It should be done. You guys are the only ones who can see. I can't see. I'm going to take it off. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Let me sit my stupid ass down. Bro, what am I doing?
Fuck.
Girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
Guys, I'm ready. I'm ready for the finale. Just play. Now, Dad. LMNOP. Left down. Okay. It should be done. You guys are the only ones who can see if it is done. Thank God, and I'm finally done with this. Why is it beating, bro? 3, 2, 1. I can't do this again, bro. I can't do this again, bro. Why did I fuck this up? Please be done. Please be done. How did I fuck this up? How do I keep fucking this up? Oh my god. At this point, guys, I feel like it's probably because like I'm really tired and I actually need to take a break, so I'll continue this tomorrow. But I will make sure that I do this. I'm not quitting, I'm not giving up. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, it's a new day. I'm back again. Today it's just like 8 o'clock in the morning. Ouch. I'm still in pain, but I'm better today. So I'm sure I'm going to get this and finally finish this challenge or whatever it is. So yeah. Okay guys, so I've finally written down the sequence and I have to memorize the sequence, and hopefully this works. Then all my hard work will finally pay off. I've actually been doing this with an injured wrist. Charlie, I need to rest. Guys, if you see that like I'm a bit low energy in this video, that's kind of why. Slipping in boiling hot water does not feel amazing. Like that's right. Ooh.
Wait a minute.
JKL. This. Okay. Put your dumb quiet XR on the whim. For real. Facebook over cap cut excess. Put your dumb quiet. That's to the left. This should be done. I think. I don't know. Bro, I don't know how I'm breathing. I'm breathing, so okay, let's just check. Oh my god! After this thing has been tormenting me all fucking day. Guys, oh my god. Guys, oh my god. Guys, oh my god. This was easy, guys. Like, it definitely did not take me like basically 2 days, but who did that? I fucking did that shit. Ouch, what the fuck? Who even came up with this? How did you even figure out this shit? People are smart too. Like, bro, people are smart. But yo, we finally did it. That's the end of the video. From this video, I learned that, bro, never give up. If I could do it, you can equally do it. If I decided to give up, 4 years ago I tried this and I gave up. 4 years later, I did it today. Mark the fucking dates. We are done. Yeah. So yeah, moral of the story. If you put your mind to something, you will be able to do it. Thank Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.
Would you still love me if I was would you still love me if I was would you still love me if I was a gangster? Been trying to get that paper, niggas like I'm a gangster.